When embarking on the journey of planning an eco-lodge, the first step is to truly understand the land you're working with. It's not just about finding a beautiful spot, it's about connecting with the ecosystem. Research the local flora and fauna, the climate, and the natural resources available. This knowledge will guide your decisions and help you create a sustainable environment that respects and enhances the natural beauty around you. Next, consider your target audience. Are you aiming for adventure seekers, families, or perhaps wellness enthusiasts? Tailoring your eco-lodge to meet the needs and desires of your guests is crucial. Think about the experiences you want to offer: guided nature walks, organic cooking classes, or perhaps yoga sessions at sunrise. Each of these elements can help create a unique selling point for your lodge. Now, let's talk about design. The architecture of your eco-lodge should blend seamlessly with the environment. Use local materials whenever possible. Think bamboo, reclaimed wood, or stone. Not only does this reduce your carbon footprint, but it also supports local economies. Incorporate energy-efficient systems like solar panels and rainwater harvesting to minimize your environmental impact. The goal is to create a space that feels like a natural extension of the landscape, not an intrusion. Sustainability goes beyond just building materials. Consider your operational practices. Implement waste reduction strategies, such as composting and recycling. Source food locally to support nearby farmers and reduce transportation emissions. This not only enhances the guest experience with fresh local cuisine, but also strengthens community ties. Engaging with the local community is another vital aspect. Collaborate with local artisans, guides, and chefs to create authentic experiences for your guests. This not only enriches their stay, but also fosters a sense of community and shared responsibility for the environment. Hosting workshops or events that educate guests about local conservation efforts can further enhance their connection to the area. Marketing your eco-lodge is equally important. Highlight your commitment to sustainability in your branding and outreach. Use social media and your website to share stories about your eco-friendly practices and the local culture. Authenticity resonates with travelers today, and they are increasingly seeking out places that align with their values. Finally, don't underestimate the power of feedback. Once your eco-lodge is up and running, actively seek input from your guests. Their experiences and suggestions can provide invaluable insights that help you refine your offerings and improve the overall experience. Remember, building an eco-lodge is not just about creating a place to stay. It's about fostering a deeper connection between people and nature. In summary, planning and laying the foundations for an eco-lodge involves a harmonious blend of environmental awareness, community engagement, and thoughtful design. By prioritizing sustainability and creating meaningful experiences, you can build a successful eco-lodge that not only attracts guests but also contributes positively to the world around you.
When considering site selection for an eco-lodge, the first step is to assess the natural environment. Look for locations that are rich in biodiversity, such as near forests, lakes, or mountains. These areas not only attract guests, but also provide a unique backdrop for sustainable practices. The goal is to blend the lodge seamlessly into the landscape, minimizing disruption to local ecosystems. Next, evaluate the accessibility of the site. While remote locations can offer tranquility, they must also be reachable for guests and suppliers. A balance is essential. You want to create an escape without making it a logistical nightmare. Consider proximity to existing infrastructure, like roads and utilities, but also think about how to maintain the natural feel of the area. Water sources are another critical factor. An eco-lodge should ideally be near a clean, sustainable water supply. This can be a river, lake, or even a well. Water management systems are vital, so think about how to incorporate rainwater harvesting or gray water recycling into your design. This not only conserves water, but also educates guests on sustainable practices. Now, let's talk about the design of the lodge itself. The architecture should reflect the local culture and materials. Using locally sourced wood, stone, or even bamboo can reduce the carbon footprint and support the local economy. The design should also prioritize energy efficiency. Incorporating large windows for natural light, solar panels, and green roofs can significantly reduce energy consumption. Creating outdoor spaces is just as important as the indoor areas. Think about how to design pathways that encourage exploration of the surrounding nature. Outdoor seating areas, fire pits, and observation decks can enhance the guest experience while promoting a connection to the environment. Sustainability doesn't stop at the building materials. Consider how the lodge will operate. Implementing composting systems, using biodegradable products, and sourcing food from local farms can greatly reduce waste and support the community. Guests appreciate knowing their stay contributes positively to the environment. Community involvement is another key element. Engage with local residents and businesses during the planning process. This not only fosters goodwill, but can also lead to partnerships that enhance the guest experience, such as guided tours or cultural workshops. Finally, think about how to market your Eco Lodge. Highlight your commitment to sustainability in your branding. Share stories about the local environment, the materials used in construction, and the community initiatives you support. This transparency can attract eco-conscious travelers who are eager to support responsible tourism. In summary, site selection and design for an eco-lodge require a thoughtful approach that prioritizes the environment, community, and guest experience. By focusing on sustainability and local integration, you can create a unique destination that not only delights visitors, but also protects and enhances the natural world around it. Starting an eco-lodge is not just about creating a beautiful space. It's about weaving sustainability into every aspect of operations and marketing. Picture this. You're nestled in nature, surrounded by lush forest or pristine beaches, and your lodge is designed to blend seamlessly with the environment. That's the vision, but let's break it down into actionable steps. First, let's talk operations. Sustainability should be at the heart of everything you do. Sourcing materials locally is crucial. Not only does it reduce your carbon footprint, but it also supports the local economy. Think about using reclaimed wood for your structures or biodegradable materials for your amenities. Every choice counts. Energy efficiency is another key player. Consider installing solar panels or wind turbines to power your lodge. Not only does this lower your operational costs in the long run, but it also showcases your commitment to sustainability. Water conservation is equally important. Implement rainwater harvesting systems and low-flow fixtures to minimize waste. Guests love to see these eco-friendly practices in action, and it can become a unique selling point. Now, let's pivot to marketing. Your target audience is likely eco-conscious travelers who value experiences over luxury. Craft a narrative that highlights your commitment to the environment. Share stories about local wildlife, conservation efforts, or partnerships with environmental organizations. This not only engages potential guests, but also builds a community around your brand. Utilize social media to showcase your eco-lodge. Share behind-the-scenes content that highlights your sustainable practices, like organic gardening or wildlife conservation initiatives. Create visually stunning posts that capture the beauty of your location. but also emphasize the eco-friendly aspects. Collaborate with influencers who align with your values. Their authentic endorsements can reach a wider audience. Consider offering packages that promote eco-tourism activities. Guided nature walks, bird watching, or workshops on sustainable living can enhance the guest experience while reinforcing your brand's mission. Encourage guests to participate in local conservation efforts like beach cleanups or tree planting. This not only enriches their stay, but also fosters a sense of community and responsibility. Don't underestimate the power of reviews and testimonials. Encourage guests to share their experiences online. Positive feedback about your eco-friendly practices can be a powerful marketing tool. Create a loyalty program that rewards guests for returning or for referring friends. This not only builds a loyal customer base, but also spreads the word about your Eco Lodge. Finally, keep evolving. Sustainability is not a one-time effort, it's a journey. Stay informed about new eco-friendly technologies and practices. Attend workshops, network with other Eco Lodge owners, and continuously seek feedback from your guests. Adapt and innovate to ensure your Eco Lodge remains a leader in sustainable tourism. By intertwining operations and marketing with a strong commitment to sustainability, you can create an Eco Lodge that not only attracts guests, but also makes a positive impact on the environment. It's about creating a space where people can connect with nature, recharge, and leave with a sense of purpose. That's the essence of an Eco Lodge, and it's a journey worth embarking on.